In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit issues in Jira. If you need to make the same change across multiple issues, Jira's bulk edit feature can save you a lot of time. Instead of opening each issue one by one, you can select several at once and apply a single update. Just keep in mind that bulk changes can affect many items quickly, so it's always a good idea to double check your selection before confirming anything. To get started, open your Jira issue list view where the issues you want to update are displayed. From there, look to the right side of the screen and click the three-dot icon. This opens a menu with additional actions related to the list you're viewing. In that menu, click on Bulk Change Work Items. This will take you into Jira's bulk operation workflow, where you can choose exactly which issues you want to include and what kind of action you want to perform on them. Once you are on the selection screen, choose the issues you want to edit by clicking the checkboxes next to them. Take a moment here to verify that you've selected the correct items. This is especially important if your list contains similar tasks, since any changes you make later will apply to all selected issues. After selecting the issues, click. Next, to continue, Jira will then ask you to choose the type of bulk action you want to perform. Select the bulk action that matches the update you're trying to make. Depending on your permissions and setup, you may see different options here, so choose carefully based on the result you want. Then click. Next again. On the following screen, you'll be asked to select the operation details. This is where you define the specific changes that will be applied to the selected issues. For example, this could involve updating fields, changing values, or applying another shared action across all selected items. Be sure to review these details closely, because this step determines exactly what Jira will update. Once the operation details are selected, click Next. Jira will then show you a review or validation screen, so you can confirm the changes before they go live. This is your final opportunity to catch any mistakes, so it's worth reading through the summary carefully. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to run the bulk edit. Jira will then process the changes across all of the selected issues. And that's it. That's how to bulk edit issues in Jira. If you use this feature regularly, a good habit is to start with a small group first, just to make sure the result is exactly what you expect before applying larger changes.